Hey everybody, this is Chris BISH'S from BISH'S RV in Junction City. I've got a really awesome fifth wheel to show you today, and I'm excited to show you the Heritage Glen 290 RL. RL stands for rear living. That's the floor plan of this fifth wheel. It's not a really huge fifth wheel. It's a little bit smaller, but it's really got a great floor plan and tons of really useful space. The way that they have put this thing together, I think you're going to like it a lot. Let's go take a look at a few of the features. You do have front storage up here that you can use for a generator, of course. And you're going to see that in here you've got a solar connection for the solar panel. And you got plenty of storage space here. A complete insulated and heated underbelly. You've got nice solid step entry for people with mobility issues and a nice grab handle so you can get up and down really easily. Come on in, I can't wait to show you this. Right when you walk in, one of the things that you're going to notice is this door. That's a place where you can hang your jackets, but it's also your control station. And so you're going to have a digital controller here and all of your slide out buttons. You know, I've got a couple grandkids and they like to press every single button. They press all my buttons for sure. And I like to be able to close the door so they can't do that. And that's why they do this that way. Isn't that cool? Come on in. So one of the things about this floor plan, you're going to notice it's a rear living design. Usually when you back into the space that you're going to, you back into the view of the mountain, the lake, the stream, what have you. And you have all these panoramic windows where you can take advantage when you're on the inside of all of that beauty and see all of that. People like rear livings for that reason. Right here is your dinette. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Really nice dinette table. You got a couple chairs and a bench. This table will lift up. And look at the live edge design on this. Isn't that great? Really beautiful table. A little bit more fashion forward there. You've got a really nice theater seating right here. Drink holders. These recline. And you know, it's perfect. One of the things that I hate doing is watching TV over my shoulder like this or from a long way away on a small screen. Right here, you can sit here and watch TV on this big Sansui flat screen TV. We have a whole entertainment system here for you with storage, AM, FM, Bluetooth, DVD, everything all ready to go for you. A nice Furrion 30-inch electric fireplace. So when you're plugged in and you're paying to be somewhere anyway, you can use their electricity to heat this thing instead of all your propane. And it's beautiful and romantic too, right? And you've got this nice sofa for extra seating as well, and this is a trifold, so it pulls out for if you have a few people that want to come and spend the night with you. And so that's a really nice area here. Looking into the kitchen, you've got an island. One of the things you're going to notice how beautiful this countertop is. It is not laminate, which is really great, but it is very lightweight and durable. Extra storage inside this. It all lights up, which is really nice around the back. There is a drying rack, a one-piece stainless sink. It's got a sprayer. So you have plenty of counter space if you want to make some Reubens or cut a pizza or whatever you need to do here. Extra people can help in the kitchen without being in the way. It really makes it nice. People love the islands. And you're going to notice plenty of room in this kitchen. You've got the Furrion microwave, it's got a fan and a light and a really nice, more of a cast iron style, a higher end stove, 3-burner stove. This comes down to extend your countertop so you can use all of that as a surface. You've got a really nice oven, and you don't see this every day. Heritage Glen gives you a pot and pan drawer right underneath the oven. I love that. And, you know, typically in something like this, you're going to probably be gone for longer trips. So they think that it's a good idea to give you a little bit more storage for food. Here you have a Dinette fridge and freezer, doubles. And this is one of the first times I've seen Dinette actually recess their freezer so if something melts, it doesn't drain out. And I think that's a nice feature. And, you know, something else I like is I get older, I start having a little bit of arthritis in my hands and stuff, and some of the refrigerators and freezers, they're a little hard to open and it actually hurts. These open so easily, and I love that. It's a really great feature. And look at how much room nicely the storage is. This is a fabulous fridge and freezer for a fifth wheel. And you're going to need plenty of room for dry goods as well. And look at this. Got space up here, space down here, and we're even set up for a washer and dryer. If you decide you'd rather have to remove these shelves and put in a washer dryer, if that suits your needs better, you can certainly do that. And we can help you with that at BISH'S, not a problem. There's pretty much everything that we can do to set this thing up. We can do it all for you, not a problem. You're going to notice there's floating steps that take you into the bedroom and bathroom area. I can't wait to show you this. Beautiful bathroom. I like a walk-in shower. And this one's got a beautiful walk-in shower with sliding glass doors, a skylight. There is some extra storage on the side and a really nice vanity and sink. Plenty of counter space in there. And there's two doors. We call that a Jack and Jill. So you've got a way to access the bathroom privately from your master as well. And you've got a pocket door here. In the bedroom, you're going to notice that there are the traditional closets on the right and left with nightstands, USB chargers, all the things that you need for a CPAP and that kind of thing. You do have storage under the bed. It's easy to get to. One of the things about this is neat is that you've got this window with this big ledge right here that you can utilize, and the window is tinted for privacy, but you can still see out. And this whole closet is in a slide out, so it pushes out and then it gives you even more storage. So you've got two different hanging storage closets with drawers underneath. So you can go on a longer trip and you know, bring a lot of items with you, and you don't have to be living out of a suitcase, and you can hang them so you don't have to worry about ironing things and things like that. It really makes traveling nice on a longer trip. I think that this is a fantastic value. What a fantastic trailer. It's not super heavy. You don't need a monster truck to pull it, which makes it a lot more affordable. So I'd love to show this to you. Oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you one other thing. You can put a TV in the bedroom if you want one right there, right where you want it. We can help you with all that stuff, not a problem. So if you're interested in this, I'd love to show it to you. Call me. I'd love to show this to you. We've got other ones too. I'm sure we've got the right one for you. I'd love to help you. Give me a call on my personal cell phone or shoot me a text. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.